Picture the parched canyons of the Colorado River in 1931. Dust storms swirl, the Great Depression grips the nation, and 21,000 job-hungry workers arrive in the Nevada desert to tame a river known for deadly floods. Their mission? Build the world's tallest concrete dam, an engineering gamble so bold that skeptics call it impossible. For decades, the Colorado flooded farms in spring and ran bone dry by late summer. Western states needed flood control, reliable irrigation, and hydroelectric power to fuel growing cities like Los Angeles. Congress approved the Boulder Canyon project in 1928. Soon after, President Hoover's administration greenlit a 60-story wall of concrete at Black Canyon, 30 miles southeast of Las Vegas. In 1931, 6 companies, Inc., a group of top construction firms, won the $49 million contract. At the height of the Depression, that meant food on the table for thousands of families. Crews first blasted 4 giant diversion tunnels, each wide enough for 2 locomotives, to reroute the Colorado through the canyon walls. Next, high scalers, men dangling from ropes with jackhammers, knocked loose rock 700 feet above the river to carve stable cliffs. Summer temperatures hit 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Concrete had to be poured in smaller blocks to avoid cracking from heat, and workers lived in a brand new company town, Boulder City. Yet the schedule roared ahead. By 1934, bucket cranes poured concrete night and day. Each bucket held enough mix to pave a football field sideline. When record floods threatened the cofferdams, crews raced waist-deep in muddy water, stacking sandbags to save months of work. On September 30th, 1935, President Franklin D. Roosevelt dedicated the nearly finished structure, now officially named Hoover Dam after tense political debate. 1 year later, the first of 17 hydro turbines hummed to life, sending clean power to Las Vegas and Southern California. At 726 feet tall and 6.6 million tons, the dam had conquered the river. Behind it formed Lake Mead, the largest man-made reservoir in the United States, stretching 110 miles through desert canyons. Nearly 90 years later, Hoover Dam still generates enough electricity for about 1.3 million people across Nevada, Arizona, and California. Its concrete is still curing at the core. Its art-deco intake towers gleam at sunrise, and its crest highway carries millions of tourists who peer over the edge each year. The dam anchors water deliveries for 25 million Western residents and irrigates 2 million acres of farmland. Yet, ongoing drought shows how vital every drop remains. From Depression-era lifeline to modern-day powerhouse, Hoover Dam stands as a testament to daring engineering and the human will to reroute a wild river in the heart of the desert.